The new BMW 7 Series is unveiled at its world premiere in China. The choice of Shanghai as the location for the event highlights the importance of the Chinese market for the new flagship model. In 2018, 44% of all BMW 7 Series models, around 24,500 units, went to customers in China. China will in future be a key market for luxury vehicles.
Luxury is very much at home in China. That's why we decided the 7 Series world premiere takes place here in Shanghai.
The new incarnation of the BMW 7 Series puts an emphasis on self-assured presence, refined elegance, and of course, highly innovative technology in the areas of operation, driver assistance, and connectedness. The new BMW 7 Series strikes a unique balance between luxurious driving comfort and BMW typical dynamics. Besides the new BMW 7 Series, the BMW Group's new luxury lineup was also presented at the event, including the BMW X7 and the BMW 8 Series.
These two vehicles, the 8 Series Coupe and the all-new X7, represent our new dimension of luxury.
Besides the BMW plants in Germany, the works in China are home to the largest production base in the BMW Group. The production of electric vehicles in particular is to be increased even further. It was also announced in Shanghai that in the course of the year, the BMW X2 will become the 7th BMW model to be produced locally in China.
2018, we sold nearly 2.5 million vehicles worldwide, including way over 140,000 electrified vehicles. China contributed to more than a quarter of worldwide sales. And that's why my sincere thanks to our dealers and investors here in China. You are part of this success.
From 2020, the completely electric BMW iX3 will also be produced at BMW's Dadong plant, its only production site, and exported from China to global markets.